Today, I want to share some tips on how to spot and avoid scams, even if they happen on WhatsApp, so you can stay safer when you message. It's important to pay close attention to the message you get, especially from unknown numbers. Oh, here's a good example. How do I know it's a scam? Scammers often try to lure you in with offers that sound too good to be true, or they impersonate those close to you to gain your trust. And be cautious with messages offering prizes, jobs, asking for money, and pay attention to the details. Poor grammar, misspellings, overly urgent language can be red flags. And if anyone is messaging you about a money transfer, call them first. Now that we know this is a scam, let's take action. WhatsApp allows you to instantly block and report when you get a message from someone you don't want. So just press the message bubble or go to the sender's profile info and scroll down to report or block. Just like that, I've avoided falling for this scheme. Life is too short for posers. WhatsApp's multiple layers of protection help prevent the frauds from interrupting your day. That's all I got for now.